The stock market has been crashing over the past few months, and you have been sitting there watching it go down and you have not been able to make money. It's going to keep going. I'm going to show you how you can make money on the way down. So this is the NASDAQ, and you can see that over the past several months, it has just been a big decline with lots of massive declines in there that have just been happening over multiple day to week periods. Now, you're afraid to short. You don't know how to short. You can't short because you don't have a margin account set up. Your bank won't allow you to. I have a solution for you. They're called inverses. You can come over here. I just showed you QQQ, which is the NASDAQ. This is SQQQ. So when the NASDAQ is coming down like this, these inverses are actually going up. So it is a way for you to go short, but you're actually buying shares and going long. Let me show you one more time. So this is SQQQ. Memorize this. We're on top of all of these major moving averages here, on top of these moving averages right here. Okay? Now let me type in QQQ. You notice that we are the same pattern, but just below the moving averages. That is how they are inverse. They are directly inverse to whatever you want to go short on. So when looking at SQQQ, as the NASDAQ crashes, SQQQ will go up. So today, the stock market is up, therefore SQQQ is down. At some point, this is going to turn back up and go positive. So as the NASDAQ starts coming down, these are going to start gaining, and this is a way for you to short the NASDAQ. On this channel, you can get trading, stock investing, real estate investing, general business advice and ideas. You can catch me every morning, all of my videos at 8 a.m. I go live every morning at 9 a.m. And you can see Paul walk through companies and teach value investing every day at 11 a.m. Trading like this is just another process that you can use in your tools to gain financial and time freedom. Guys, this is how I started making money in the market when I was day trading. I'm going to pull up two inverse ETFs that I just crushed back when I did this full time, and this was my only source of income. So LABU, this is a 3-time levered pharmaceutical ETF. And you notice when this is this morning, the stock ran up. It's called LABU. You had these nice engulfing candlesticks, and you had very big gains on there. Right now, this is probably up like 7 or 8% right now. Now, when this is up, when this is coming down, I can't short it. But what could I do? I jump over to LABD. LABD was the inverse. So when I was doing this and I was first learning and making money and having to put food on my table, this is exactly what I did. You notice LABU was going up. What is LABD doing? Exactly the same thing, just coming down. Same volume, same stochastic, just the inverse. Inverses are how you can make money when the stock market is burning. Catch you on the flippity flop.